Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to delete extra spaces in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So let's say you received such an Excel document with such a range of data. They are digital data, they are text data, or all of them together. And most importantly, these extra spaces that ruin everything and that you need to get rid of. We select the data range in column B. On the Home tab, we choose Find and Select button, click on it and select Replace. We will replace spaces, so we enter one space in the Find What field, and in the Replace With field we don't enter anything, so we replace the space to nothing. Click Replace All, and all the spaces at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end, if there were any, have now been removed. But if you still need spaces, for example between words or numbers, but at the same time you need to remove the extra ones at the beginning, at the end, or maybe double or triple spaces in the middle, then use the trim function. This function removes all spaces from the cell except for a single space between words. We write the equal sign, enter the trim function, select the cell to which you want to apply this function. We extend the function to the end of the range, and voila, all the spaces are removed except for the single ones between the words. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.